as it is, it's already organized in a manner na medyo compartmentalized, diba? You can organize your fruits, your vegetables, mga frozen vegetables, diba? Sometimes we buy that a lot para mas convenient sa atin. And of course, ako kasi, I always leave the top shelf for ready-to-eat food. Diba? So, kuha ka na ng kuha. And sometimes, what I do, I get meats na, diba? I marinate it ahead of time and I just put it into one corner. Para, when I go home, madali na siyang lutuin, diba? Kasi, sometimes, de-defrost tayo. It takes so much time, gutom na gutom ka. But if you already store it in an area na properly sealed, alam mo, hindi mangangamoy, alam mo naman, it stays fresh, hindi siya nasisira. It's very safe, it's very convenient. So I can make marinated meats in batches and just leave it there. And aside from that, kasi pa-healthy kunwari tayo, di ba? So, I have meron mga salad boxes na lang dyan with bottles of dressing. So, anytime you're hungry, kuha ka na lang, di ba? So, very easy to use. Yeah. And dito, ito talaga yung bonggang-bongga talaga. Is this section where you can convert from freezer to chiller. So, depending on your need. Kasi sometimes, pag Pasko, marami kang hilaw pa. Di ba hilaw na food? Kasi maghahanda ka. Sometimes, hindi mo nahabol. Problema ka pa, saan mo ilalagay. And sometimes, diba, eto, how many times have we experienced gagawa tayo ng fruit salad or buko pandan na hindi lumalamig in time sa pagdating ng bisita. Di ba? That's so true. And if you are not in control of the temperature, hindi mo siya matweak. Paano? Parehan ng may stove ka, isang heat level lang siya. Di ba sakit sa ulo? So ito siya is a very convenient way to adapt your ref into what you need, no? With what stocks you have, at hindi ka masira. Kasi ayaw natin ng sayang, di ba? Yeah.
So,